Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our Steam account. So let's get started. So to delete our Steam account, what we can do is first of all open up our Steam application, and after opening up our Steam application, just tap on your profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then you should tap on the second option which says account details. After tapping on your account details, now you just have to scroll all the way down, and here you can find delete my Steam account option. So just tap on delete my Steam account. After tapping on delete my Steam account, now it will say the steps how to delete your account. But if you want to delete your account, what you can do is just tap on proceed the account deletion. And by tapping on proceed the account deletion, now what you have to do is just enter what was the first email you used to your account, and then provide a phone number for your account. So if you don't have your account's phone number, or if you have not linked your account with your phone number, you can just leave this option. You just have to enter your email address, and then you have to provide the reason why you would like to delete your account. So after entering all that, what you can do is just tap on send, and after tapping on send, you will successfully send an email address or a request to Steam that you would like to delete your account. So after 30 days, what they will react to your email, and you will receive an email address in your email account that you have linked with your Steam, that if you would like to confirm your account deletion, so what you have to do is just confirm your account deletion, and after 30 days that you will confirm your account deletion, you will successfully delete your account. So it takes 30 days to delete your Steam account. So after 30 days you will successfully delete your Steam account. So that's it guys, this is how to delete Steam account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.